Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And this is part two. Somebody wants uh, some tabs so he's cutting paper so it won't cut all the way through, and he wants them. I measured it as I can't remember, but it's 0.07 of an inch. And I did it earlier, kind of a roundabout way, and one of my mentors and then some other people commented on the video. I can't get the knife tool to work, and the only way I could get the eraser tool to work is to convert this curve to an object. If you can see, it kind of blends it out. And then if you take the eraser tool, and I have to set it on half the distance on the thickness. He wants 0.07, so I had to go 0.035 and then just run it through there. Now this isn't going to be like blended accuracy, but if we go and then right click and turn it into an outline, you can see it is a hairline. For some reason it's got a color, so we'll take the color away on the fill, but it's going to work and it's going to cut out because it is a hairline. Well, make it a hairline now. Double click on it, turn it into a hairline. And now we have three spaces, and it's not perfectly spaced around, but if the only reason you're doing it so you can leave the paper in there, this will work. So we're at 0.07 on our dashes, and we have three of them. And you could put them anywhere you wanted to. So the eraser tool I couldn't get to work earlier, but you have to turn it into an object because the eraser tool will do this if you don't. So if we take that and go up to object and convert it to the outline to an object, kind of pales it out for some reason. But then if you use the eraser tool, and then you can always fill that in with red, make it a hairline, and you have a hairline. For some reason it's putting like a fill, but if you left click, no fill, and then double click on here, and this is somebody's setting I'm using, but anyway, that way you have that. So you have to double the space, I guess, because the eraser is going to be twice that big from the center, as I'm guessing, the thickness. So if you make it, it'll cut from this 0.07. So if you needed like a 1/4 inch gap, you would set it on 0.125 and then cut a 1/4 inch, doubling that. So let's just test our theory with the parallel dimension tool. Of course, we're going on a curve, but there's 0.26. So that's what it is. Anyways, so that'll be a lot quicker for the gentleman, and hope that helped. Thank you for watching, and thanks for the help, guys.